So this is an import file. So let's choose our let's import our files or data. Click on select file, then browse to where your data is being saved. Then mine was saved on look at this. So these are my data. Let me start from the base. Click on it, then this is the main data for my based on my file name. Because how you can identify your data, you have to look at the file of your equipment. So this is my own data based on my file name. Then click on open. It's checking observation data. See, observe it. Just hold on. It's loading. It's a single point. See, this is my observation data. You can see this 2570 is based on the 3 digits of the receiver of the equipment. This is it. Oh no, 3 digits of the controls. So let's import them for the other rovers. So can go back. Then for this, and so this is for the other receiver. Click OK. It's loading. So this is it. This is 2580 for the other control and that receiver. So let me bring the third one again. Import file. Select. So for the third one, let's open. So now I've get my tray. So the reason why it is like this, those in my group or group 2 will know why it's like this better, because if you notice where our base is opposite the new theater they are building within our adjacent glass tech. Look at it straight, follow the road straight, and then the glass tech is within this side where that curve is. Then it's come to this our point. This is our point 2580. Then it moved to the other IN point, the main controls behind our department. This is it here. So that is why you can see it is not that to open or form a direct angles, but this is how it is. And after importing your file, so all the file will be displayed after the imported has been done successful. So